Hello students and welcome to DAV Moil Public School Sita Savangi. Let's begin an online session of Standard 10th Mathematics with your teacher Mrs. Vandana Ghagre. Dear students, today in the lesson Polynomials we will see the second part, that is division algorithm of the polynomials. See here we are dividing the polynomial 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12 by t square minus 3. So here already the polynomial is in the standard form, means in the decreasing order of the degree. So no need to exchange it. So write down it. Now you all are aware how to divide by long division method, because this method we have studied in standard 8th and standard 9th. So for what we have to do, we have to check the first term of each dividend and divisor, and whatever the left quotient, that we have to write as a 2t square, followed by change the sign when you are subtracting, because we have to subtract the second number which is written here. And here if you will see, we got the remainder as 0, and when the remainder is 0, we can say the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. So you have to check here whether it is a factor or not. So if it comes 0, then it is a factor, and if it is not 0, then it is not the factors. So practice this long division method. See here in the second question, again we will divide the first and second polynomial. So already are they in standard form? Just check. Yes, they are already in the standard form. So write them as it is and start dividing it. You will get the remainder here 2, not 0. Now here remainder is 2, not equal to 0, and therefore in this case we can say that first polynomial is not a factor of the second polynomial, because remainder is not 0. See here, it's a different type of question. We have to find here all zeros of this polynomial, that is degree is 4. Degree 4 means it has 4 solutions, 4 zeros, and only 2 is given. We have to find the remaining 2. Now here we know the 2 of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. Now as these are the zeros, we can write it as x minus root 2 and x plus root 2 is a factor. So a plus b, a minus b, use that identity you will get by solving it. X square minus 2 is the factor of the given polynomial. Again I will repeat here, 2 zeros are given, root 2 and minus root 2. How you will get this 0? Before its step, just remind it, we will write it as x minus root 2 and x plus root 2, then only we will get x is equal to root 2 and x is equal to minus root 2. So that factor we will use here. So here root 2 means x minus root 2 and minus root 2 means x plus root 2. Both in the multiplication form is a factor. Now here we use the identity a plus b into a minus b. So that gives you the answer x square minus 2. Now each bracket is a factor, so multiplication is also a factor, and therefore x square minus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial. And now we will divide it by the long division method, that we are aware. So here again I am explaining you, first term of the quotient is nothing but obtained by dividing the first term of both dividend and divisor, that is 2x square. So write that 2x square first, then subtract the polynomial. Then second term is obtained again by dividing minus 3x cube upon x square, that equals to minus 3x. Write it on the quotient place. And then third term is obtained by dividing x square and x square, that equals to 1. So in this way we finish the division. Our quotient is what? Our quotient is a quadratic equation, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 1, and we want all zeros. Already we know the 2 zeros. So what we will do? We know how to factorize the quadratic polynomial. So we will factorize here by splitting the middle term. So when we factorize 2x square minus 3x plus 1, we will get 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 as the factors. Now these are the factors. How you will get the solutions? Zeros of these. So we will write it as 2x minus 1 equals to 0. That gives you x equals to 1 by 2. And x minus 1 equals to 0. That gives you x equals to 1. So already root 2 and minus root 2 are the factors and zeros, that is. So here 1 by 2 and 1. And therefore the zeros of the given polynomials are root 2 minus root 2, 1 upon 2 and 1. This we obtained by splitting the quotient, which is obtained by dividing the factors by the given polynomial. In this way we can find out all the zeros of the given polynomial. Dear students, today we have learnt about the division of polynomials, whether it is a factor of the given polynomial or of not, and how to find all the zeros of the polynomial. And if you will practice it, you will become perfect in the long division method of the polynomial, because we have already studied it in the standard 8th and standard 9 in the both consecutive year we have studied, and now the same again in the standard 10th. So do this assignment, complete it honestly by your own, apply your understanding. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day, dear students.